haven't done a video in a while with the animals, and it's pretty windy out, but I let them loose. So the girls are out. Baruch is put away. We've got our 6 chickens. They followed me down here, and I let the goats out so they can get some nice tender leaves and eat some of the pine trees. There's Miss Mika. And there's Miss Nezzy. We got Kizzy and Mr. Pickles. I don't know where the girls, the chickens, the kittens, the cats are at. I'm not sure where they're at. But I'm sure if I start walking and calling them, they'd come. Come on, guys, let's go for a walk. Nezzy, come. Let's go, babies. And things are starting to get green, and you can see we got some leaves growing now. And this is a whole bunch of blackberries, or is it blackberries? I guess they're considered, they're not called blackberry. What are they called? Oh, I can't even think what they're called. My brain is dead. But all those flowers, they're going to be berries pretty soon. And this whole area is just like covered with them, and it's super thorny. They don't feel very good, but they're sure tasty. And they're good for you too, so. And you gotta love it. Our property is so random. Find stuff from the people that used to live here. There's like starfish. There's Oreo. Oreo came out to play. Oh, there's Silver Bear coming up. We've got our beautiful cactus growing. It's a good sized little cactus here. One of these days I need to come out and start doing some edible searching for all the edibles that are on the property. And the cute little buds. It's budding. And balls everywhere. Baruch loves his balls. He loves to play with balls. But yeah, as you can see, this is so thick and thorny. The only way to take care of all this would be to come in here and really doze it down, but wouldn't want to do that. You can see the beauty of having these is we got tons of bees. And if you know what bees are good for, they make honey, and I love honey. So I'm super happy to see the bees hard at work collecting their nectar and their pollen to give us all that goodness. I wish we had a wild. I'll have to get some hives out here soon. Maybe that'll be something to shoot for this fall. But okay, so let's see where we can go. You can see all these lovely little, so many little leaves budding. I love it. Springtime. Beautiful flowers. And that means those are going to be berries soon. Can't go wrong. One of the nice things about walking around the property is you just come along some stuff and find things. And since the grass and everything's still kind of short, there's another cactus here. So we got quite a bit of cactus on our property, and it should be edible cactus if you wanted to harvest them. But this one looks kind of sad. It's okay though. And there's my Oreo Silver Bear. What you doing, babies? Hi, babies. I love my little animals. They're so sweet. And Miss Oreo is just plopped down in the dirt. That's her. See my goats and chickens. I think they're enjoying being outside. And that is normally where the garden would be, but we're doing a year of rest. It's a Shemitah year, which is when you let the land rest for a year. And sorry, I didn't mean to shut that off. Anyway, so that's a year of rest, and so we're not doing anything this year, but I am probably going to start building some above ground structures and maybe do some above ground stuff for the fall when the new year starts for the Hebrew calendar. So that's at least my thought and plans, and I'm hoping I actually achieve that, but we'll see. And maybe we expand the garden from here all the way across eventually would be my goal, which would be a good chunk of the back. So that's what I'm hoping for. Missed it. My goat was acting crazy. He was doing his little happy dance. He's silly. You're being silly, Mr. Pickles. What you doing, babies? You looking for some yummy stuff? Hey, Mr. Pickles, what you doing? There he goes. He's gonna go get her. No, I thought he was gonna go and headbutt her, like be that special brother. Oh, there he is. They're so funny. She found herself a hole. Oreo, what you doing, silly girl? You are so silly. Hi. You're all dirty. This is the other side of the property that's over by where the goat pen is, and there's some beautiful leaves growing as well over here. And we got really bad yellow pollen right now from all the pine trees, and you can see also there's more of the little flowers. That means there's more of those they're not blackberries. I don't know why I can't think of what they're called. They're like a blackberry though, but they're all over. And I do have some blackberry bushes on the property too. In this little area there's some that wraps back out there, and all of these are wild grapes, muscadine grape leaves, and they're edible. They're young. They should be very good to eat right now, as well as, we've never tried them, but this is what they look like. You can do all sorts of stuff. This is the time of year where there's a lot of wildflowers everywhere. And there's a beautiful wildflower trail that's along this area. And there's so many pretty little wildflowers. Little pretty flowers everywhere. Lots of purple right now. Anyway, so I thought I'd share that too. They're so pretty. I'm out on the trail, and as you can see, there's a whole bunch more of the muscadine, but in there, that means there's a whole bunch more of the wonderful thorns out here too. And I don't know if you can see some of these big thorns, but they're everywhere, which is unfortunate, but it comes with the territory out in this area. So, but it is nice seeing the green coming back and the pretty colors all around. The pollen isn't so nice. They don't like me very much, but we'll just keep on going and see what we see. So out in the woods there's this patch, and I think it was probably daffodils, possibly. Looks like the flowers have already faded, but there's a whole patch of them out in the middle of nowhere out in my forest. I wish I kind of would have known about it. It would have been fun to come and see them when they were in bloom. But there's a whole bunch. It's kind of cool. One year I found a bunch of wild roses on the property. I haven't seen them in a while, but it's still kind of cool. So again, we're out in the middle of nowhere. Looks like there's another cactus here. And this is one of the big trees. So we're kind of in the middle of the property. Well, not the middle, it's from here to the pond middle. So it's like a quarter into the property, more or less. Because we do have 10 acres. And we're just cruising along. We got my companions. We got Silver Bear and Oreo. We have Nezzy and Mika. And that's it. We're having fun though. It's a good time, and I love seeing the big tree has a lot of leaves coming in as well. It's beautiful. with a whole lot of pollen, it looks like. Gotta love it. The reason why I know I'm on the trail is you can see my husband's got it marked with purple. It's for him. I just come tromping through and make my way. So, anyways, we're going on the slope side, which means it's going down to the water. And I see a pretty flower, and I think it actually might be the poisonous stuff, possibly. But if it is, the flower is pretty. No, that's just some kind of a flower. It's like a red flower. Super pretty. Probably not the best idea coming through here, but look at this. It's gorgeous. Anyways, it's amazing how much cooler it is out here in the woods as you get closer to the water. It's so much cooler, especially in the summertime. I got some more work to do out here, more trimming though, because these thorns looks like they're already starting to come in, and gonna have to cut back so we don't kill ourselves out here. At least I don't kill myself. Anyway, so probably gonna be it for today. Thanks for coming along. It's just a little, hadn't shared a lot lately, and it's so beautiful out right now. You see our beautiful plants everywhere. So thanks for coming. I guess we'll see you guys next time. Bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and thanks for coming along for the walk today. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye.